Pure awareness is knowing, omnipresence, omniscience, omnipotence, omniactive. Larger part of us are literally know of its own. Through this physical focus, physical consciousness, this body-mind, awareness, experience of itself, knowingness, experience of knowing. Awareness, knowingness is realizing of itself using this physical consciousness. Everything is knowing, everything is awareness, everything is just is. Awareness, experience, perceives movement in this time and space. Different movement of dance. And then we can describe its phenomena as a dance of consciousness, celebration of the presence, celebration of all that is. When this physical focus be aware, that sense of celebration of all that is, that we are, truly liberate from contradicting energy, which is perception of duality, especially judgment, especially lack consciousness, fear and worry. This physical consciousness can accept. Actually, only experiencing is happening. Only awareness is aware of itself. All the experiences are embraced with unconditional love. All the experiences are welcomed. All the experiences are celebrated, because each of the experiences are used for bringing out greater good, greater realization, realization of more of potential, more of love and wisdom. When this physical consciousness deeply embraces the simplicity of reality, this physical mind will receive wisdom, which is energy of true self, source energy. All we have to do as a physical consciousness is just open up to that unfoldment of energy of source. Just accept, realize the connectedness with source, with all that is, and embrace it, own it, our own nature. Omnipresence, omniscience, omniactive, omnipotence. When we sense into it, we can truly feel the knowing. Knowingness is pure awareness. Knowingness is our essence, our nature, so clear, so vast, so free, so steady, so sure, and so blissful.